We have our front door right here with our open concept closet, a robe here, a coffee machine, some tea, some iron back there, shelving up there. Got a little smart fridge, they say. And then we come to the bathroom, nice and bright. I like when they have the light around the mirror. The toilet's right there. Come around, and here is the shower. It has two heads, waterfall up there, one of those there. Here's the amenities. Very big bathroom. Definitely big, nice sleek white tiles there. Then we have this long corridor right here. Very long. We have two beds. I don't even know where all the light switches are, but let's see. Then we have a little desk, minimalist desk, I would say. Good sized TV. All right, there's more light. Nice bench right there. There's the front door again, but we'll look at it with some more light real quick. Yeah, it's very long. Simple room, very sleek. It's very simple, I'll say it again. A little seating right there. And then we're on the patio floor, but you can't really tell. Yeah. Nice room, very simple design.